Hello everyone, welcome to TimeBucks Tutorials. In this video, I am going to introduce you to different tasks through which you can earn money on TimeBucks. I am going to click on the three lines on the top left corner and then on the Earn tab. In this, you can see a lot of other tabs. In this video, I will give you details about the Content tab. So let's see what is there in the Content tab. Here there are 7 different tabs. The most easy and less time consuming tab is Clicks. See, there are 3 types of clicks. The first, in which you have to watch it for 5 seconds, where you will get $0.001. Second is 30 seconds, where you will get $0.003. And the third is 60 seconds, where you will get $0.004. To receive your credit, you have to watch this for the time they have mentioned. See, my wallet has $6.262. I'm going to click on the view. Here I have to watch this ad for 5 seconds. Okay, I'm going to click on this view. The website will open. Sometimes it may be a YouTube video, or sometimes it will redirect us to Play Store application, or sometimes it will redirect us to TimeBucks website. So I have to stay at this page for 5 seconds. See, now my $6.262 have now become $6.263. So this is the simple clicks tab where you can earn in just a couple of seconds. Moving towards the next tab, that is slideshows. You will get $0.001 by completing one slideshow. I am going to click on this view. You can do 20 slideshows per day, but there is only one slideshow you can do in 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can do another slideshow. I'm going to click on the view, and here you have to see 7 pages of slideshow. On each page, 20 seconds over here. See, 20 seconds timer will be there. Once this 20-second timer is completed, green next button will appear over here. You have to click on this next, and then you will be redirected to the next slide. Again, you have to wait for 20 seconds. Then the green next button will appear over here. After that, you have to click on that green next button. In such a way, you have to go through 7 slides. That will take only 120 seconds. You can do 20 slideshows per day. So this is the simple slideshows tab. Moving towards the next tab, that is Nightfall News. In this task, you will get paid to complete a slideshow. I'm going to click on View Slideshows. So what you have to do in this is you have to just scroll down and see the next button. Okay, this is the next button. Here it is. You have to click on that button and then wait for 10 seconds. 10-second timer will start over here. After 10 seconds, you have to click on this close. And then next slideshow will appear. Again, scroll down to the bottom. Click on next. 10 seconds timer will start. Wait for 10 seconds. Click on close. Again, see the next slideshow is loading. In such a way, you have to complete 40 slideshows. Okay. See, on this bar, you can see your progress. I have completed 3 slideshows out of 40. After completing 40 slideshows, you will get $0.004. So this is Nightfall News tab. Moving onwards, let's see Videos tab. This is also the most simple tab in which you have to watch a given video for 60 seconds only. If you haven't subscribed that channel, then do subscribe and watch the video for 60 seconds. You will get $0.001 just in 60 seconds. Videos are limited. You will receive your credit after watching it for 60 seconds. Okay, so they are limited only. Moving on to the next, that is the search tab over here. This tab will be available after you receive at least one payment. What you have to do over here is you have to search for the product you are interested in buying. It can be anything, for example, shoes, top, t-shirts, smartwatch, wall clock, etc. You must only perform genuine searches. That means search for things you are interested in buying, even if you can't afford them or if they are on your wish list to buy. You can't just search the same thing over and over or search a gibberish keywords that don't make sense. Timebug's algorithm detects any fraudulent searches and does not credit anything for this. Since I have received my first payout on Timebucks, therefore I have got access to this search tab. You can search using the search bar given over here. I'm going to search sofa and then click on the search. I will be redirected to shopping website. Then just go back. See, now I got $0.001. It's really very easy task to do. Remember, you must have received at least one payout on Timebucks to gain access to search tab. So we have discussed the clicks, slideshows, nightfall news, search and videos tab. Hope you understood well. If you want to get more information, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Do like, comment and share this video. In my next upcoming video, I will give you detailed information about the remaining tabs, that is push clicks and engage tab. Have a happy earning.